everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Today we're whipping up a fantastic spicy meat recipe with Pepita and chili that's going to elevate your weeknight dinners. Ingredients: 1 pound of lean ground beef, 2 tablespoons of pepitas, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 red chili pepper finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions. Step 1. Toast the pepitas. In a dry skillet over medium heat, toast the pepitas until they are golden brown and fragrant. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure to stir frequently to prevent burning. Once done, remove from the pan and set aside. Step 2. Brown the ground beef. In the same skillet over medium heat, cook the ground beef until browned and cooked through. Drain any excess fat if necessary. Add the minced garlic, chopped onion, and red chili pepper to the cooked ground beef. Sauté for a few minutes until the onions become translucent and everything is fragrant. Sprinkle in the ground cumin and smoked paprika. Stir well to ensure all ingredients are coated with these spices. Crush half of your toasted pepitas using a mortar and pestle, or pulse them briefly in a food processor so that they're roughly crushed or coarsely ground. Add them into your spicy meat mixture for an extra layer of flavor and texture. Step seasoning and finish. Season with salt and black pepper according to your preference. Your Pepita and chili spicy meat recipe is now ready. Serve it as taco filling or on top of nachos for a delicious meal option. This spicy meat recipe will blow your taste buds away, and it's easier to make than you think. So to recap, we marinated our chicken, roasted our sweet potatoes, and brought everything together with those delicious pepitas. This spicy meat recipe with Pepita and chili is not only easy to make, but also bursting with flavor that's sure to impress. Plus, you've got the joy of cooking at home, which is always a win. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried making jerk chicken or sweet potatoes before? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a try and share your results. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and check out my other cooking videos for even more inspiration. Happy cooking, everyone!
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.